These 21 features are quietly destroying your car's reliability, and most people have no idea. We reviewed over 300 repair logs, mechanic notes, and owner complaints only to find out that these 21 features are killing reliability and costing drivers thousands. From parts that literally melt under heat to touch screens that freeze mid-drive. These are the first things to fail, and one of them has already been replaced in next year's models for safety reasons. If you like your car running and your wallet full, be sure to watch until the end. Let's dive in. Number 21. Automatic stop-start systems. Now, your car turns off at every red light to, quote, save gas. But believe me, it's not saving you any money. All that constant stopping and starting puts strain on your starter motor and your battery. This means that stuff is wearing out quickly, and it is not cheap to replace. What's even worse is that if your commute is stop and go, your system will cycle dozens of times every single day, wearing things down even faster. So you are not saving fuel, you're just purchasing early repairs. Oh, not to mention that on an extremely hot day, the AC turns off whenever the engine does. So you're sweating out in traffic while simultaneously killing your starter. Sounds pretty expensive and painful to me. Number 20. Turbochargers with no extra cooling. Now, turboed engines are exciting until they overheat because many of them lack suitable cooling systems. Oh, but what about all the added power? Well, it generates heat, and heat is the enemy of engine life. Without proper cooling, all that pressure just fries your engine. Number 19. Weak oil coolers. Now, here is one of the dumbest things that some manufacturers like to skimp on. A proper oil cooler. Oil is your engine's lifeblood, and if it overheats, everything starts falling apart. Weak or undersized oil coolers let the engine oil get way too hot. And hot oil is bad oil. Once the oil gets too thin and loses its lubricating powers, metal just starts rubbing directly against itself, like they're in a fight. The friction builds, components wear down, and boom, you're left with a ticking time bomb under the hood. Number 18. Overactive check engine lights. Today on modern cars, you'll find that they have check engine lights that like to go off if you so much as tighten the gas cap wrong. Most of the time these days, you'll find that your check engine light is on because of a loose wire or a faulty sensor triggering the light. But good luck convincing the dealership of that. They'll still charge you to get it checked out and, quote, fix it. But the real danger, you start ignoring it. And one day when, it actually is serious, you'll have no idea. And that delay can turn a small fix into a major engine failure. Number 17. Electric parking brakes. What used to be a nice and simple, reliable handbrake lever is now just a tiny button. Sure, it looks cool, futuristic, and it saves you some space. But none of that matters when it stops working. Then you're stuck. Your car won't budge and you're trapped in a parking spot with no way to release the brake. Old school levers, they didn't do you dirty like that. And don't believe you'll be able to just push or physically release the car. It is tightly controlled by software and cannot be overridden manually. Number 16. Eco mode issues. Push that eco mode button and you might feel like you're saving the planet and a little fuel. But under the hood, it's not all too green. Eco mode messes with how your engine performs and how the gearbox shifts. So sure, you'll maybe be saving some money on petrol, but you'll pay with a slow drive and stressed out parts. Over time, that slow, choppy driving style can actually shorten your car's lifespan. Number 15. Engine covers that trap heat. Now, they may look tidy when you open the hood, but those big plastic engine covers are doing way more harm than good. While they're there to make the engine bay look nice and neat, they also trap in heat right over some of the most sensitive parts of your engine. And here's the problem. Engines hate excessive heat. Constant high temperatures slowly wear out seals, wiring, and plastic components, silently reducing your engine's lifespan. But hey, most people don't even realize that they can just take them off. And removing the cover won't void your warranty. It might actually just help your engine run cooler and last longer. Number 14. Plastic oil drain plugs. Now, who thought replacing solid metal oil drain plugs with plastic was a good idea? Metal plugs worked just fine for decades. I mean, they were durable, reusable, and reliable. But now, most manufacturers are using plastic ones in order to cut costs. The problem here is that plastic plugs are easy to strip, crack under pressure, and even break during a basic oil change. All it takes is just one wrong twist and boom, you're stuck dealing with leaks or needing a full-on replacement. It's a pretty frustrating downgrade and a perfect example of modern cars fixing things that were just never broken. Number 13. Direct injection without cleaning. Now, direct fuel injection sounds pretty high-tech, and to be honest, it kinda is. It boosts performance and fuel efficiency, but there's a hidden downside. It doesn't clean your intake valves. Unlike older systems, the fuel no longer washes over the valves, so carbon ends up building up fast. Over time, that buildup causes rough idling, power loss, and some expensive cleanups. Way sooner than you'd expect. So, unless you're regularly cleaning those valves, which isn't cheap by the way, you're basically driving a ticking time bomb. I mean, it's a modern upgrade that quietly eats away at your car's reliability. Number 12. Overloaded touchscreens. Touchscreens in cars look good, I'll be honest. But cramming every single function into one screen is a disaster waiting to happen. Want to just adjust the AC or turn on your heated seats? Well, you're stuck poking through menus while trying to keep your eyes on the road. These screens lag, they freeze, and sometimes even crash completely right when you need them the most. And even worse, when it breaks, you're no longer just replacing a simple button. You're replacing the entire control system, often costing hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Number 11. Complex transmission. Modern cars come with 9-speed, 10-speed, CVT, and dual-clutch transmissions to squeeze out better performance and fuel economy. And sure, they're nice, but they've just left us with so many alternatives and ways for things to go wrong. These modern gearboxes are packed with so many complex parts, which just means more things that can and will break. And when they do, repairs are complex, parts are expensive, and at that point, your wallet will cry. Sometimes, less really is more, especially when it comes to gears. Number 10. Tiny radiators. Modern engines are getting smaller and stronger, but radiators, not so much. In many cars, the cooling system is still stuck in the past, too small to handle the extra heat that these modern engines are producing. If you live in a hot climate or spend time in traffic, then that weak radiator starts struggling pretty quick. Overheating ends up becoming a regular headache, and that constant heat stress slowly kills your engine. Number 9. One small radiator fan. Cars nowadays rely on just a single small radiator fan to cool the entire engine, which sounds efficient until it's not. When you're sitting out on hot days in traffic, that one little fan is pushed to its absolute limit trying to stop your engine from overheating. And when it can't keep up on your engine, it pays the price with overheating, reduced performance, and long-term damage. This is a corner cut that turns into a costly mistake, all for the sake of saving a few bucks on proper cooling. Number 8. Cheap plastic engine parts. Now, in the past, key engine parts like thermostat housings, timing chain guides, and water pump impellers were made from solid metal. They lasted longer, handled heat better, and didn't fail as easily. Nowadays, many modern cars like the BMW N52, N54, and M54 engines come with plastic water pump housings that are known to crack over time. I mean, I actually own one of those cars. I've replaced its thermostat and other cooling components numerous times at this point. Ford's 1.6-liter EcoBoost used plastic coolant outlets that were so failure-prone that they sparked recalls. Even Volkswagen's EA888 engines used plastic timing chain guides that could break down early, leading to major engine damage. Sure, plastic saves the manufacturer money, but for you, it just means cracked parts, coolant leaks, or even worse, timing failure. And these aren't surface-level fixes. Most of these plastic parts are buried deep in the engine, so when they do fail, you're hit with massive labor costs just to go get them. Oh, and don't even get me started on the new plastic oil pans you're seeing on modern cars nowadays. I mean, these are just one of those modern upgrades that shortens your car's lifespan while quietly draining your wallet. Number 7. Electric steering for heavy cars. Okay, electric steering is great for small cars. It's smooth, it's quiet, and it is efficient. But when manufacturers start putting it into these big SUVs and trucks, things get messy. These lightweight systems just aren't designed to handle the weight and stress of larger vehicles. In heavy cars, electric steering can feel vague or disconnected. I mean, you turn the wheel and the response feels delayed or off. Over time, the added strain causes the components to wear out even faster, leading to steering problems and expensive repairs. Oh, and unlike older hydraulic systems, electric steering isn't nearly as easy or cheap to fix. When it fails, you're often stuck replacing the whole unit. Sure, it might save fuel and space, but using a light-duty system in a heavy-duty vehicle is just asking for trouble. It's another modern feature that quietly chips away at long-term reliability. Number 6. Panoramic sunroofs. Now hey, I'm not saying that this is a stupid feature, but just hear me out. Panoramic sunroofs come with hidden problems. Over time, they're known to rattle, leak, or just stop working completely. When they do leak though, it's not just a drip. Water can get into your car's interior, damage the electronics, mess with sensors, and even cause mold. Oh, and repairing these panoramic sunroofs? Man, it costs way more than fixing a regular roof. So while it may look cool when you first buy the car, it's one of those features that often turns into an expensive and annoying issue down the road. Number 5. Auto wipers and headlights. Now, these are meant to make driving easier, but half the time, they don't work when you actually need them. They might turn on when it's bright and sunny, then completely ignore pouring rain or a dark road. When the sensors behind these systems fail, and they often do, you're left scrambling to take over manually. Not only is that annoying, but fixing those tiny sensors can come with a big repair bill. In the end, a feature that's meant to add convenience just ends up turning into another unreliable system waiting to fail. Number 4. Poor brake cooling. Now, you don't have to be racing to need proper brake cooling. Even regular driving in traffic or on highways can heat up your brakes pretty fast. And without good ventilation, the brake rotors, they get too hot, and the brake fluid, it starts to boil. Now, when that happens, your stopping power drops a lot. That is called brake fade, and it's pretty dangerous. So by cutting corners on cooling, manufacturers put your safety at risk and shorten the life of your braking system. Number 3. Plastic air intakes. Okay, sure, plastic air intakes might help shave a few pounds off your car and reduce manufacturing costs, but they're a clear downgrade when it comes to durability. These parts go through constant temperature changes, heating up when you drive and cooling down when you park. And over time, all that expansion and contraction causes them to dry out, warp, and eventually crack. And once there's a crack, unfiltered air starts sneaking into the engine. That throws off the fuel-air mixture, makes your car run rough, burn more fuel, and sometimes even trigger warning lights. Now, you might notice some rough idling, some hesitation during acceleration, or even worse, your fuel economy goes down, and that is all because of one tiny fracture. Number 2. Sensors you can't replace alone. Modern cars are packed full of sensors, and while they do help with everything from fuel efficiency to safety, there's just one big problem. Many of them are built into sealed modules. That means if one tiny sensor goes bad, you can't just replace that part. You have to replace the whole frickin' unit. So instead of, a quick $50 fix, you're stuck looking at a repair that could cost hundreds or even close to $1,000 just to deal with a single faulty sensor. All because someone decided it was more efficient to glue everything together in that one big unserviceable block. It's repair hostile design that's going to kill your wallet. And here we go, the last one. Number 1, skip shift gears. Have you ever tried accelerating from first gear only for your car to force you into fourth? That is skip shifting. Now, supposedly it saves fuel, but it just wrecks the driving experience and puts unnecessary strain on your engine and transmission. It's clunky, it's annoying, and completely unwanted. A quote, feature that effectively works against both performance and reliability. I mean, who even asked for this? But there you have it. These were 21 of the most ridiculous, overhyped, and simply idiotic automotive features that cause more harm than good. Do you have a car story to share, or did one of these features damage your vehicle? Drop it down in the comments below. And for more car tips that actually save you money and keep your car alive, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Your wallet will thank you.